Most Bluetooth FM transmitters sold online are generic junk with unreliable connections. Pick wrong and you're left with crackling sound and constant car charger headaches. Tired of losing FM signal or fighting with tangled cords every ride? Relax, this video breaks down the best options and what to watch for. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Bluetooth FM transmitter that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the LENCENT Bluetooth FM Transmitter. From the initial reveal, the LENCENT Bluetooth M transmitter feels approachable for commuters and casual drivers seeking straightforward integration. Its design targets drivers who value clean calls, simple controls, and reliable music playback during daily commutes every day. If you frequently drive with others, its hands-free features and Bluetooth stability become key selling points today. The chassis uses sturdy plastic with a subtle trim, delivering a budget-friendly yet durable feel that should withstand daily wear. The compact profile keeps height minimal, allowing it to tuck into most dash pockets without obstructing air vents or sightlines. Its dimensions suit various car interiors, and the included mounting options offer flexible placement for secure, stable use. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 for stable pairing, DSP noise cancellation, a built-in microphone, and a dual USB charging setup. The FM transmitter supports easy station matching and quick tuning with a clear display that shows current frequency. It includes a built-in microphone and essential controls on a responsive button panel for hands-free calls. In real-world drives, you notice stable Bluetooth connections, minimal latency when skipping tracks, and reliable charging through the USB port. During highway tests, voice calls sound clear with reduced wind interference, and occupants report satisfying audio quality via car speakers. The overall performance holds up in daily use, with quick reconnects when you re-enter the car after short errands. Compared to the Vixing Bluetooth FM transmitter, this model edges ahead in stability and ease of use overall. The pros include solid build quality, seamless Bluetooth pairing, and versatile charging options that support multiple devices without sacrificing performance. The cons include occasional static near the edge of the radio band and a bright display that can distract at night. At number 4, we have the LENCENT Bluetooth FM Transmitter. From the moment you install this compact device, it targets drivers who crave reliable audio, simple setup, and versatile in-car charging. Music streams via Bluetooth or from USB drives up to 32 GB and microSD cards up to 32 GB. Formats like WMA MP3, WAV APE, and FLAC are supported, ensuring your existing library plays without conversion hassles. Built-in 2 USB ports deliver 5V 2.4 amp and 5V 1 amp, enabling simultaneous charging. Smart safety features guard your devices, including overcurrent and overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control, and short-circuit protection. Hands-free calling benefits from Bluetooth stability and CVC noise suppression along with echo cancellation, making conversations clearer at speed. Voice navigation prompts from your phone app come through clearly, helping you stay focused on the road ahead. Car battery voltage is displayed when plugged in, and a blue ambient light surrounds the charger for easier operation in low light. The wide compatibility means it connects to most smartphones and will automatically reconnect to memorized devices when powered on. The frequency range extends from 88.1 MHz up to 107.9 MHz to minimize interference. On real-world tests, it maintains stable connections and delivered clean audio across varied driving speeds and environments. Compared with the Nulaxi NX series, this model offers voltage display and reliable auto reconnect while remaining competitively priced. The pros include fast dual USB charging, clear hands-free calls with CVC, and broad compatibility with smartphones. The cons include higher price and limited daytime display brightness. At number 3, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter. From the moment you unbox, the Syncwire Bluetooth M transmitter presents a compact, clean aesthetic aimed at everyday drivers and tech enthusiasts alike. The build quality feels premium with a brushed metal shell that resists fingerprints and conveys a sense of durability during daily use. Its compact profile fits unobtrusively in a wide range of car dashboards and center consoles. The transmitter supports Bluetooth 5.0 for stable connections and includes 2 USB ports to keep phones and accessories powered during drives. It handles FM transmission across a broad frequency range and automatically locks onto available channels without excessive noise, preserving audio clarity. In everyday use, the device maintains steady Bluetooth playback with minimal dropouts even when streaming high-quality audio. For safety, it handles hands-free calls with echo cancellation and noise suppression for clearer voice transmission to the other party during drives. Compared to the Nalaxy model, this Syncwire unit offers sturdier construction, better Bluetooth stability, and more intuitive controls. The pros include premium build quality, stable Bluetooth connectivity, and dual USB charging ports. The cons include limited memory presets and a somewhat bulky profile for compact dashboards. In our testing loop, audio remained clear at highway speeds and battery consumption stayed low during extended use. The device pairs quickly with both Android and iOS devices and maintains a stable connection even with phone cases. Button layout is intuitive with clearly labeled controls, allowing quick changes to volume, track, or call without taking eyes off the road. Overall, the Syncwire Bluetooth M transmitter delivers strong build quality feature set and value for everyday drivers seeking reliable in-car audio. At number 2, we have the Scosche BTFM9, a versatile Bluetooth FM transmitter optimized for daily commutes, casual listening, and hands-free calling. This amazing device features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels highly durable in everyday use, resisting scratches and providing an upscale aesthetic. It measures roughly 3 inches long, 2 inches wide, and 1.5 inches tall, keeping a compact profile on the dash. The built-in housing appears solid, with tight tolerances that reduce rattling and resist wear from daily use over time. It uses Bluetooth for wireless connection and claims a stable link with minimal dropouts during commutes across weekdays. Includes 2 USB ports, enabling simultaneous charging for a phone and another accessory while driving on long trips. In real-world testing, the Scosche BTFM9 maintains a steady FM signal with clear audio and minimal hiss across typical city routes. Compared to the Anchor Rove Bluetooth FM transmitter, the Scosche BTFM9 offers more straightforward pairing and crisper audio at highway speeds. The pros include solid build quality, very simple installation, reliable call clarity, and stable Bluetooth connections during long drives. The cons include limited memory presets with confusing navigation and middling bass reproduction lacking depth and punch overall. Setup is simple through USB power and a few voice prompts that guide pairing and connection status during daily use. The compact display remains legible in daylight with minimal glare and quick indicators for Bluetooth, charging, and FM tuning. Its lightweight build and compact dimensions ensure discreet mounting on most dashboards, keeping cabin space free for passengers and accessories alike. Given feature set and ease of use, the Scosche BTFM9 offers competitive value for drivers seeking reliable wireless integration in vehicles. Overall, the Scosche BTFM9 delivers solid everyday performance, pairing simplicity, and practical charging options for most standard cars without breaking the bank. At number 1, we have the LIHAN FM Transmitter. From the moment you unbox, the LIHAN FM Transmitter radiates premium quality thanks to a brushed aluminum shell and clean tactile controls. It weighs 2.4 pounds, a surprisingly sturdy feel on the dash while remaining compact enough for daily use. The layout favors simplicity with a large central dial and clearly labeled ports that invite quick adjustments during driving. Power comes through a universal USB-C port that supports efficient charging and stable operation from most vehicle power sources. Inside, a low-noise mixer and a stable oscillator circuit work together to deliver clean FM transmission with minimal interference. Frequency memory presets let you save your favorite stations so daily commutes remain seamless without constant tuning. The device supports standard car power arrangements and accepts a wide voltage range, enabling compatibility across many vehicles. Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless audio streaming from smartphones, and a built-in microphone supports hands-free calls while driving. A clear LED indicator shows connection status, input source, and frequency mode at a glance, minimizing driver distraction. In real-world testing, the LIHAN maintains stable audio output across typical city traffic and highway speeds with minimal hiss. Auto frequency switching kept the transmitter on clear channels as you drive through areas with crowded FM bands. Compared with a typical budget model, the LIHAN delivers quicker pairing, steadier signal, crisper audio, and noticeably more reliable performance overall. The pros include durable metal construction, intuitive dial-based controls, and dependable Bluetooth streaming with clear hands-free calling. The cons include limited color options, a higher price than budget rivals, and occasional interference in dense urban FM environments.